Why, look, friends, it's a little tiny home. I wonder who might live there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Hi, friend.
Hi, friend.
Kofi and I have been bird watching. Kofi, did you know that different birds live in different homes?
Yeah, it's like a birdhouse.
That's right. Lots of birds that we've seen live in a cup nest. This is a cup nest. Cup nests are tiny bowl-shaped homes made from twigs, mud, and grass, usually tucked in tree branches or bushes. Some robins and thrushes often build them up off the ground for safety. A bird's nest. It made a safe home to grow. You deserve a safe home too. I'll see you soon, friend. Something magical is coming. Bring the magic of learning home to your little one with our online Kwesi puppets, now available only at inkuzelbabies.com.